Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty back with another video. As you can see, well, you can't see, but it's nasty out. It's raining. It's cold, nasty, damp. Not a good day. Not a good day today. It's just nasty all over. But today's video is about a previous video I done about income school review. And that video I explained that I have not took my blog seriously. I was going to write 30 blog posts. From then on, write way more content than I've been writing. Hopefully I'll get more traffic. So today's video is about the traffic I've been getting so far. And last 2 months ago, I got 1,400 visitors to my blog. Way more I've ever gotten. Last month I got 928. Okay, this month so far I got 530. Got 2 weeks left in this month, so it might go up to 800. Who knows? But every day I get 25 to 30 visitors a day to my site. A day. And that's due because I increased my traffic. I increased the content of my traffic. So 2 months ago, that 1,400 visitors was a spike in traffic. Was kind of I don't know what happened. I posted a YouTube video, and the YouTube video was very popular on YouTube at that time. So it wasn't really no content I'd written. And it spiked my blog up to 1,400 views. 1,400 views from my blog. So right now I can say average, I probably average about 700 visitors a month to my blog, which is not bad. That's very low, but it's not bad. I just started doing it. Now imagine I do a blog post a day and do a blog post every other day and keep creating content on my blog. How much traffic will I generate? A lot. So every day, like today I got 25 views. Yesterday I got 31. The day before I got 45. Every day I get views to my blog. I just started really blogging like maybe a month ago. I just started going hard with it because I'm tired of hearing about everybody's income reports and they make this and that. I don't want to be that guy that make that much money, you know what I'm saying? So check out my blog, thexking.com. And this is an update review that it is possible to make money blogging. I haven't made no money in my blog, but my traffic has gone up. My traffic is steady. I have other blogs or websites that have not posted in months and gets no visitors. None. Because the content's old, haven't posted in so long. So, but this is my main blog. I post every other day, and I get traffic every day. So that tells you right there, this blog who keeps posting gets traffic, and this other blog who don't post no content don't get traffic. So I'm leaving with this. I'm gonna go ahead and go. Blogging, YouTubing, making money online, owning your own business. You have to create content. Either you're gonna sell a product, you're gonna sell a service, or create content. There's only 3 ways to make money in this world. You're gonna sell something, make something, or do content. My YouTube channel has grown because I keep creating content. My blog gets 30 views, 25 views a day because I continue to create content. I got a blog I haven't posted in months. It gets no visitors. Not one. It's just flat. Can't post no content on it. So if you want to start a blog, start the blog. Do 3 blog posts a week. Just write the blog post. Writing 2,000 words is not hard. It takes me about an hour to write it. Hour and a half, really. And in my other video, there's a WordPress app for your phone where you can do a blog post on your phone. I mean, you're traveling, if you're at work, on lunch break, you can write a blog post while you're at work. You write at least 2 paragraphs on your phone, save as a draft, and when you get home, that content is written, so you have less to write at home. And that's what I've been doing. So I work full time. But on my lunch breaks and my 15-minute breaks, I'm blogging. I'm writing a blog post on my phone on WordPress. So when I get home, I'm not spending an hour and a half writing content. I'm spending 30 minutes, editing, adding links, writing a snippet, finding a picture. I'm doing the maintenance work and copying and, just publishing that post. So Start the blog now. Do a blog post a day. Write what you can. Just produce something. You gotta do so. You can't have nothing going out. I read online, one quick tip I'm gonna go, that Google indexes how often a blog posts content. That's one of the factors on ranking your blog. So you post content every day, Google will send you traffic because you're posting fresh and new content every single day. But if you don't post content in 3 weeks, how are you making the money? It's like if you run a business, if you don't go in a business to try to make some money and sell anything, if you cut grass for a living for a business, if you don't cut nobody's lawn or mow my lawn in 3 weeks, how much money can you make? That's mine does it for you. It's the same thing with business. Same thing with maintaining your car. You never change the oil in your car. If you don't go to work, you make no money. That's the whole thing. If you don't create blog posts, you don't get traffic. And that's the one thing that people don't realize, that blogging takes a long time. Blogging is my long game. My paid traffic is my short game. YouTube, long game. Blog, long game. Email list, it's both. Email list is short game and long game. I make a sale today, I'm trying to build a relationship with my list. That's the long game. So blog is my long game. It might take me 6 months to start making money, but hell, it's making money. So that's the end of my video. Let's continue to blog, continue to push through the business. Don't worry about what's going on. Just keep creating content. TyFidesKing.com. Thanks for watching.